energizer. So,
Please like and subscribe. We're going to thumbs up for you. And you will watch us.
Okay po, kung makita to ng mga teacher, ipa-energy nyo po to sa inyong anak, ay sa inyong
Mga nakshi.
mga estudyante, and then mag-i-start na po kami. Let's go.
Like and subscribe. Back to the place.
Back to place.
Let's discover, let's explore your creation and so much more. It's exciting, can't wait to see what you have in store. Surrounded by waves of your mystery, Lord, show me what you want me to be. Let's go deep, 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 deep as the ocean blue. Deep, 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 deep in my faith with you. Deep, 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 deep in my heart I see your love is endless deep, deeper than the sea. Let's dive deep in our faith. Let's dive deep in our walk. Let's dive deep in our trust. Let's dive deep in our talk. Let's dive deep in your word. Let's dive deep in your ways. Let's dive deep in your love. Let's dive deep every day. Let's go deep, 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 deep as the ocean blue. Deep, 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 deep in my faith with you. Deep, 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 deep in my heart I see your love is endlessly deeper than the sea.
Salamat po sa panonood ng aming exercise. Bye!
Bye!
Subscribe!
Ito pa, ito pa.